Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is a good day. It is Thursday, January the 16th, and more merchandise have arrived at Crypto Mentor 99's house. Shout out to the XTC Network for their friendship and support for the 2025 Crypto Bull Run Road Trip. I've got 50 or 40 mugs in the mail today. Super thankful about that. And my poker chips arrived that I had custom made. On the 3 road trips in 2018 and the 1 road trip in 2019, I had Zinfin poker chips. And we've got the websites on the back. Anyhow, I'm going to be handing these out. Tomorrow, I will be receiving the XTC Network hats, and again, going on a 7-day journey in the Midwest portions of the United States, going to shopping centers, restaurants, talking to anybody that wants to talk about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, also going to colleges and universities. If you see this video on Twitter, please share and retweet this. If you see this video on YouTube, if you could share it, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm ready to go. Be going in a couple days, and I'll be posting daily videos. And I'll do one more video tomorrow before I leave when I get the hats with the XTC Network logo proudly across the front. Anyhow, that's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family, and love y'all. Bye-bye.